Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. DaCosta. So for today's lesson, it's actually going to be pretty quick. So we started geometry and we're looking at different kinds of line segments. And today we're going to be looking at two different kinds of lines. We've already learned about parallel and perpendicular, and that talks about the relationship between lines, whether they cross or whether they don't touch each other. Today, what we're going to be looking at is whether a line is vertical or whether it is horizontal. Okay, there are two different kinds of lines. And these two definitions you really need to know. Okay, so if you want to write them down in your notebook, okay, you can label the page like we usually do. I don't have it up here, but we can label it up here on this part, on this section with the date. Today is April 8th, 2020. And then on the left, you can put chapter 10, let's practice. And then vertical, you can actually draw a picture of a line. Vertical means that the line is going up and down, okay? The line is going up and down. And horizontal means that the line is going straight across, okay? I italicized the word horizon and the word horizontal because horizontal lines go straight across, just like the horizon. Like if you're at the beach and you're looking out at the horizon, like that line where the sky meets the ocean, that's what kind of a line it is. It's a horizontal line. So vertical lines go up and down. Horizontal lines go straight across, okay? So before you start on your work, I wanted to look at let's practice. This comes right from your textbook page, okay? It comes right from your textbook. So it says, look at each picture, identify the vertical line segments, okay? So we are looking for line segments that go up and down, okay? So I wouldn't even be looking across, okay? I'm only going to look at lines that go up and down. And we are looking for lines that are named, that have names, okay? So let me see. I am going to, let me do red. I see that this line is going up and down. So that would be line, what would we call that? It would be line EJ. So line, I'm going to do this the best that I can. Line EJ would be a vertical line. And what would be another one? If EJ is a vertical line, what would another vertical line be? What would we name it? It would be right here. Okay, it's going up and down. Do we see that? Up and down. So we would write that line GH, okay? And then here, it wants you to identify the horizontal line segments, okay? The lines that are going straight across. I see two, okay? Actually, let me use a different color. I see one right here, okay? That would be line KL. And then I see another one right here, which would be what? Line segment NM. Remember, we don't go backwards and say line MN. We do it by the alphabet, lines MN. I'm sorry, line NM, okay? So remember, horizontal goes straight across, vertical goes up and down, okay? So we need to take a look at what you are going to be doing today. You are doing reteach pages 115 and 116, okay? So 115 is pretty self-explanatory. I actually want us to look at page 116, and I'm going to try to do this as quick as I can. Oh, and it already has. I was practicing this before. Okay, so now it says, number 2 says BC, so let's look at BC first. So where's BC? BC is right here, okay? Line segment BC. Line BC is perpendicular. Goodbye. Line segment BC is perpendicular to the horizontal line segment AB, okay? Well, yeah, it's perpendicular because we can see it crisscrosses right here, okay? BC, okay, line BC, this line right here, is a what line segment? Is it horizontal or is it vertical? Horizontal or vertical, okay? It goes up and down, so it would be, trying my best here. It would be vertical.